There are numerous jobs. I've never had this happen before, but at several recent meetings, there have been industries recruiting our graduate students well before they've even graduated. That has not happened in my 30, 40 plus years of working in this field. There is actually an organization called Seesaw, the Coalition for a Sustainable Agricultural Workforce, for people to work in industry. The 20 companies that come together along with scientific societies to try to address this need for training in the ag industry. There's a great need. If you go to some of the websites, where before there might be 1 or 2 jobs, now there's 30 to 40 jobs. Really looking for people with the ability that like to work, have a good work ethic, have the general science background, but also the ability to work with teams. The science has definitely changed. When I went to school, you had a project, you worked on it independently, you worked for one advisor. Today, even in my own lab, we've got big team projects, we're doing large-scale projects for high throughput, phenotyping and assessing for disease resistance. We do similar sort of things in our partner department in entomology. So being able to work in a team takes another whole set of skills. And so that's what we're training our graduates to do. A student with an MPHM degree will be trained to work in extension county offices, especially in the area of ag and natural resources. This is not for 4-H or community development. These students are specifically trained so that they can address real issues that are affecting today's producers, whether it's vegetable crops, fruit crops, or field crops. There are positions in ag departments. Plant industry sectors actually go and inspect fruits and vegetables for commercial production. There are inspectors that bring food into the United States. All that needs to be inspected. So there's that whole area. We've got extension, and then in industry is where I see a lot of our students going, working in the field again with producers or working in different areas of the company. Environmental Protection Agency, there's going to be a lot of positions. U.S. Department of Agriculture, there's a lot of positions. Just being a technician within a university, within lab research programs, are all wide open areas. We also have a large number of private consulting companies that are doing a lot of efficacy testing, so these are also positions for these students.